Hello and welcome you back to Natural Polytechnic video lecture classes in automobile engineering. I am your faculty Dipankar Ghosh. In my previous videos already we discussed up to cooling system. So let us start with the new article which is named as your lubrication. So at first last we define what is the definition of the lubrication. To supply lubricating oil to the moving parts is simply termed as lubrication. So lubrication is the action of applying substance such as oil or grease to an engine or component so as to minimize the friction and allow smooth movement. So the main function of this lubrication is to minimize the friction. So lubrication system. Lubrication system is a mechanical system of lubricating internal combustion engines in which a pump forces the oil into the engine bearings. So now let us discuss about what is the purpose of lubrication or what is the function of lubrication. So one by one we are going to discuss it. So number one, the purpose of lubrication is to reduce the friction between the moving parts. So it is the number one. Number two, to increase the efficiency. Number three, to minimize the vibrations. Number four, to reduce the corrosion and carbon resistance. Number five, to reduce the heat of moving parts. Number six, to minimize power loss during friction. Number 7, to reduce the noise created by moving parts, and the last is to provide cooling to the engines. So these are the three purpose or 8 number of purposes what we are using for the lubricating system. So now let us discuss about the types of lubricants what we are using in automobiles. So basically in automobile we are using three types of lubricants. Number one, solid lubricants. Number two, semi-solid lubricants. And number three is liquid lubricants. So these are the three types of lubricant we are using in automobile. So let us given a example of each of one. So if you take the example of solid lubricant, that may be graphite, mica, etc. Then in semi-solid lubricant we are having heavy grease. So grease is a bright example of your semi-solid lubricants. And the liquid lubricants is concerned. Liquid lubricants is mineral oil obtained by refining petroleum. So mobile, etc. So these are the three types of lubricants we are using in automobile engineering. So now let us discuss about the types of lubrication what we are using in different automobiles. So these are also subdivided into three types: mixed lubrication system, wet sump lubricating system, dry lubrication system. So in mixed type lubrication system, we are using, basically we are using in two-stroke petrol engines, which are nowadays not using because nowadays we are using most of the automobiles what we are manufacturing now, these are all four-stroke vehicles. So in older days, nearly 15 to 20% are there which are running by two-stroke principle. So in two-stroke engine, we are mixing the oil in the fuel at the time of fuel filling station in a specified ratio as per mentioned by the concerned manufacturer. So let us take an example. Suppose Escort India Limited is manufactured a automobile or two-wheeler that is known as Rajdoot or Yamaha. Here we are adding 40 to 50 ml of oil or mobile into 1 liter of petrol. So when both are mixed together in the oil pump, in the oil fuel tank, due to the vibration generated by the uneven road surfaces, so these are more mixed properly, and when this mixed oil is enter to the carburetor through the carburetor, and last finally it enter to the combustion chamber. So as the difference in the flash point and fire point, the petrol is get burned, but the mobile is remain unburnt. So it act as a coolant medium and reduce the friction in the your combustion chamber. So here this is the main working principle of mixed lubrication system. Thank you.